So here in this topic I would like to discuss about a fixed beam carrying a UDL, uniform distributed load, at a given distance from NDA. So see here in the figure, UDL carries at a distance A from NDA. So here I am considering a distance, I am considering a section XX at a distance X from NDA. So then what about small elemental distance dx? So see here in the uniform variation load, so in the entire span of L, you take some x section, the load will be some Wx by L. For example, if you take some A section, the intensity of load will be some W A by L. Like that it will be varies in the uniform variation load. But here in the uniform distribution load, the entire load will be distributed equally on the entire span. If you take at A section, it will be W only. If you take at L section only, if you take at entire span L also, it will be some W. If you consider small elemental distance dx also, it will be some W. So therefore, what is our elemental distance load? It will be equal to some W into dx. So here also first I am finding the moment for the small elemental distance, then I will distribute that elemental moment into overall distance. See here, what about your DMA? It is in the form of the eccentric point load W into A into B square by L square. So in our case W will be W into dx, A will be x, B is L minus x whole square by L square. So similarly, what about your moment at B? W into B into A square by L square. So W means W into dx, B means L minus x, A means x square by L square. So then you fix the total moment here. So total fixing moment. So I want moment at NDA. So I am applying entire distance 0 to A. So this value DMA. So then simplify small elemental moment value here. Then you will get a moment for the final. Simplify here itself. W by L square into x into L minus x whole square into dx. So simplify this value. MA equal to, take down W by L square outside. So 0 to A. X into L minus x. X into, which is in the form of A minus B whole square. So simplify this in that formula. L square plus x square minus 2LX into dx. Then again simplify this one. W by L square into integration 0 to A L square x plus x cube minus 2LX square into dx. Then apply integration for the x terms, that equal to W by L square into x square by 2. So integration of x equal to x square by 2. What about x power 3? X power 4 by 4 minus 2L x square means x cube by 3. So then limits A to 0. Upper limit minus lower limit. So apply upper limit first, then lower. W by L square into A square by 2 plus A power 4 by 4 minus 2L A cube by 3. So what about LCM here? 2 4 is 8, 8 3 is 24. So LCM value will be 24. So then simplify this one. See here, W by L square, your LCM value will be 24. So 2 into 12 times of L square A square plus 6 times of A power 4 minus 3 into 8. 8 times means 8 into 2, 16 LA cube. Again take down this 24 outside, W by 24 L square. Again take down common term. So what is common term here? So take down A square common here. Again if you take numerical also, so if I am taking 2 outside, 6 into L square plus 3 times A square minus 8 into LA. So again cancel these values. So therefore MA equal to WA square by L square 12L square into 6L square plus 3A square minus 8LA. So this is your fixing moment at A. Then take down fixing moment for B. So total fixing moment for B. So apply this value and simplify directly here. 0 to A, W by L square x square into L minus x into dx. So again simplify here. MB equal to 0 to A, W by L square take down outside and 0 to A. So x square into L minus x cube into dx. Then again apply integration for the x term here. W by L square L into x cube by 3 minus x power 4 by 4. Again 0 to A. So take down LCM outside. First of all take down LCM here. First apply A terms here. W by L square L into A cube by 3 minus A power 4 by 4. Again take down LCM. W by L square into 12 4 times of LA cube minus 3 times of A power 4. So therefore MB equal to, take down outside, W by 12 into L square. Again common term will be A cube into 4L minus 3A. So this is your moment at